Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, July 1st, 2024, and we're looking to go up
Order fill
with QQQ. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. 555, H pattern, wide state, H pattern. Here's what I believe is the first retrace. Impulse, correct, impulse.
horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And here's the second retrace in this move. As you can see, we impulsed up, we're pulling back, and I expect it to take off again. I'd like to see it cross the 479.16 area where our 50 moving average is, but depending on how deep this retrace pulls back will depend on how far it might possibly go. We're going to lock in our dollar for right now and at least guarantee that. But if we pull back a little bit lower, the probability of this really ripping on the third leg of this run is going to be probably low. So we're going to manage. We need the price to get past the 479 area and proceed on with strength. If not, we might die out and possibly turn around. So we'll play it bar by bar. We are a couple pennies away from getting taken out at the moment, but as you can see, that retrace is deeper, which means that the probability of this continuing to run just drastically drops. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how it reacts off the 479 area, and if it doesn't accelerate with power and explodes past that and get past the 50 moving average on our 1 minute chart, we'll just pull profits at that point, but we're going to play it bar by bar as usual. We have a C retrace on our 2 minute chart, but the problem is, and we expect it to explode up, the problem is that at this point with the price, it's struggling to get over the 50 moving average on our 1 minute chart. So what we're planning on doing is any price spike above the 479 might be a fake out. So what we'll do is if it explodes past the 479 on one bar, we'll just close out as it's rising because this statistical probability for this C retrace is very minor at this point. Like I said, again, the key characteristic is we wanted that price above the 50 and also closing above the 50 on our 1 minute chart. We don't have that right now. Also, we have to factor in that we've been around this area for about 10 minutes now where the statistical probability is no longer favoring us.
Order fill.
And there's a $1.80 move in about 10 minutes, ladies and gentlemen.